Jiuyixing Building Materials Company Limited. I'm very glad to introduce you about our factory and our WPC product to you here. This is our factory workshop mode. Our factory covered 120,000 square meters, have more than 500 workers, and we have more than 80 production lines for door skin, door frame, and door architrave. At present, we also have 5 auto production lines. One day can produce 2,000 WPC door. It's a big and professional WPC manufacturer. There is the history of the company. This is our CEO. Our factory built 2002. During 20 years, our factory attended many exhibitions. For example, Big 5, Vietnam exhibition, Thailand exhibition, and Saudi fair. Also, our factory passed many significance. For example, it's ISO 9001, SGS, CE, FCS. Until now, our products have popular more than hundreds of countries. Welcome to visit our factory and build a good business in the future. Now we will into our showroom together. Regarding our showroom, we mainly have 4 areas. Firstly, it's our door structure area, and hardware area, and the aluminium door area, and the sample door room area. This is our WPC skin door. The size, design, and color all can be customed. This is our full WPC door panel. For the full WPC door panel, we have 3 thickness. This is the WPC assembly door. For the assembly door, we have 3 candle structure. This one is pure foam inner, and this one is a full WPC door panel inner. The third one is a full WPC door panel to join together. There is our aluminium door showroom. It can be used bathroom, kitchen room, and living room. At present, we can keep the color same as interior door. It can make our house more beautiful. There is our hardware exhibition. We have many kinds of the color and style for your choice. This is a photo wall. This supplies many group photos for customers from all over the world. Welcome to visit our factory. This is our frame sample room. They are showing many kinds of frame white and steels. This is our restroom. We can provide different brand, smoke, drink, and fruits. This is our prayer room for our Muslim friend. This is our CEO office, and this is the VIP meeting room. This is our restaurant. Also, we provide some drink for our friend. There is our golf room for active. This is a hotel for our friend. Hope we can provide convenience and warmth to our friend.